Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe, and of course another video means another color. This purple beautiful color is inspired by the springtime, and I hope you guys are ready. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Let's mix it up. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of a Very Veelo lipstick base. You know, you can get this from my website, veryveelobeauty.com, or I have a video showing you how to make your own. But yes, I'm starting off with a teaspoon of this base, and I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the titanium dioxide from Make Your Own Dye Buzz, because you guys know that I like to add my white first to get a canvas established. And not only that, titanium oxide can sometimes be a pain to mix, so I'd rather just get it out of the way and go ahead and mix it good, making it as smooth as possible and getting rid of all of the clumps so that it does not transfer later when I bottle it. So I am just taking my rubber spatula and I am going around the bowl. I'm utilizing all sides of the bowl just so that I can get this titanium dioxide and base mixed in effortlessly. Not only that, I should have added a tablespoon of this base because this color came out so beautiful, and I honestly think that a tablespoon would have sufficed as well, because as far as the ratio goes, I'm going to be adding quite a bit of pigment, and I'm going to be adding a surprise ingredient today, and you'll see what I'm talking about later. But yes, I am just mixing this white in really good so that I can go ahead and start to add my other colors. Right here, I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of the FD&C Red No. 27 Alum Lake, aka pink, and I am going to chase that white with this pink until I see no more white. And even if you do see white, you guys, I'm going to add some more color to this, so by the end of the video, all of the colors will be nice and incorporated evenly. So I'm just working it in, honey, trying to get rid of this white. But I must say that titanium dioxide will make or break your product. So I say that to say you want to add it because it actually helps with your color payoff in the end. So I love it. It works for me. You just have to be patient with yourself and with your formula so that it can basically incorporate with all of the colors evenly and do its job. And now I'm going in with 1/8 of a teaspoon of the FD&C Blue No. 1 Alum Lake, and 1/8 is half of a quarter if you don't have an 1/8 teaspoon measure. And I'm just adding that to my bowl, and I'm gonna mix that in, and you're about to see this purple come alive. It is gonna be so pretty. I was thinking of a color that I could do that reminded me of spring, and of course I went to Pinterest like we all do when we want a vision. So I went to Pinterest and I typed in flowers to get some inspiration, and this beautiful purple flower came up, and I was like, I'm gonna make a purple lipstick. whenever you guys are feeling stuck, Pinterest can help you a ton. It is my go-to for inspiration when I need some help in the creative department. So shout out to Pinterest. Now I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the ISO remix. You can purchase this from my website at veryveelobeauty.com, and I'm going to incorporate that into what I already mixed, all of the colors, all of the base, and I'm just mixing it in until it's incorporated into a nice cream versus a liquid. And then I'm going in with 1/4 of a teaspoon again of the red number 27 Alum Lake and 1/8 of a teaspoon of the blue number 1 Alum Lake, because I always like to add pigment after I add the ISO because of the color payoff. I want my color payoff to remain strong. So pigment is what's needed after the ISO. I always try to finish with pigment, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just mixing that in really well, and I'm chasing the bowl, I'm chasing the ISO, I'm chasing it all with my rubber spatula until it's all mixed in together. When you mash and you mix it, while you mix it and you scrape the bowl as you mash it, it also helps with streaks. So that's what you see me doing when you see me kind of just taking my spatula and mashing it. I'm just getting rid of streaks and making sure that I don't see them. Now I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of kaolin clay. This is white kaolin clay. Most kaolin clay is white. So if you guys happen to see kaolin clay listed, and it is the same thing as white kaolin clay. And I'm adding half of a teaspoon of this to my bowl. I got this idea from Simplicity C on Instagram. She is one of my lipstick besties, and I am so grateful to her for this. She was working on a formula, and she inboxed me one day and just said how adding kaolin clay made a major difference to her product. And I was like, whoa, I have some kaolin clay and I've added it before, but I didn't see a difference. She said, oh no, honey, you have to add more. And I took her advice and I did. And when I tell you, the kaolin clay is actually a product that is popular in most cosmetics and most liquid lipsticks. You can look it up in their ingredients, and a lot of times you will see kaolin clay listed. So the fact that she encouraged me to pull it out again and use it, I really appreciate her for that. And when I tell you guys, it helps with the drying time. Oh my gosh, not only does it help with the drying time, it helps with the creamy consistency. It comes out creamier. And I had to actually load the syringe from the back with this product because it is thicker, but it actually helps because what the clay is doing is it's balancing those oils and it's absorbing those oils. So this is me just applying the swatch to my hand, and it is beautiful. And that is it once it is dried with the kaolin clay. So shout out to Simplicity C. Oh my gosh, this is her Instagram, and she helped me so much. So you guys go show her some love and follow her. And she also has a cosmetic line too, and I'm about to show you guys her page for her cosmetic line. I don't want to say the wrong name, but here it is. This is her cosmetic line, Sidabo. Am I saying it right? Girl, don't get me if I'm not saying Sit Out Boo. Oh, that is really, really cute. But yeah, this is her line. Shout out to Simplicity C. Thank you so much, mama. This worked out. And this is a video of it actually drying on my arm. I showed you the pictures, and now this is a video. And I love it. I love it. Not only did it make it thicker, but it actually helped with the drying time. Instead of it drying slowly, this dried a little bit faster, and I am grateful for that. The lipstick gang, we look out for each other. We send each other recipes. Oh my gosh, you guys rock, and I love, love, love you. But that is it. And now I'm just loading the syringe from the back because this product is thicker, but that's okay. And also, I like the fact that I have this short chubby bottle, because that helps with the thickness of the product too. As far as the opening of the bottle, I was sharing that with someone too. Shout out by Lash by Elise. That's who I was sharing it with. She was like, what kind of bottles would I get? I was like, try to find a thick chunky one. Not saying that it won't work in the skinny bottles too. It would work, but I'm just saying that it's because it is thicker, I would suggest that you add it into a bottle where the opening is wider. So right now I'm just adding it in, and I am going to put my stopper in, and I am going to take the excess and of course save it because this color is gorgeous. And I put my doe foot wand in, and just like that we made lipstick again. And look at that. That is the most prettiest purple that I ever seen. One of many purples. You guys, it's like a million purples. So if you see me do purple, it's never the same. But thank you so much for coming by and thank you so much for coming by. If you need anything from my website, go to veryveelobeauty.com. Anything from your bases to your liquid concentrates, all of that good stuff, you can head on over there. I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by and supporting me. Oh my gosh, the support. Oh, I am so grateful beyond words. Words can't explain, you guys, how grateful I am to you and for you, and also for inspiring me. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe during these times. Don't count the days. Let's just make the days count and make the best of them. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Love you.